Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a file as a PowerPoint in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Slides, and here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to save as a PowerPoint. Tap on the three dots next to its name, and then tap on Save as PowerPoint. It's going to be loading a bit, and then we're going to have the PowerPoint file here. As you can see, this is the PowerPoint version of the same file, and yeah, we can download it and share it and do whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.